Welcome back to Cognitive Zillion AI 101 series. What is a dataset in AI? In artificial intelligence, a dataset is a collection of data that is used to train, test, and evaluate AI models. This data can be in various forms, such as numbers, text, images, or videos, and is often organized in a structured way for the AI to process and learn from. Essentially, datasets are the raw material that AI systems use to learn patterns, make predictions, or understand information. For a typical AI model development, full dataset is split into training set and testing set. In most cases, you can see that the split is about 80 to 20. The testing data is hidden from the model during the training phase. Think of the training dataset like a textbook for the AI. It's full of examples and answers that the AI uses to learn. The AI studies this textbook to understand how to make predictions or decisions. Consider the testing dataset as the final exam for the AI. After all the studying and practice tests, the AI is given this new set of questions it has never seen before. How well it does on this test shows how ready it is to handle real-world tasks. Sometimes the training set is further split into training set and validation set. Validation set is like a practice test for the AI after it has studied the textbook. It helps to check if the AI is learning correctly and to tweak its learning process. It's crucial because it makes sure the AI isn't just memorizing the textbook but actually understanding how to apply what it learned.